Hello! Today we are going to learn about consonant letter sounds. What is a consonant? The alphabet has 26 letters. 5 of the letters are the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. The rest of the letters are consonants. Let's practice the sounds that consonants make. Say the sound and word with me. B, B, as in bee. C, K, as in car. D, D, as in dog. F, F, as in fan. G, G, as in gate. H, H, as in hat. J, J, as in jar. K says K, as in kite. L says L, as in lip. M says M, as in mom. N says N, as in 9. P says P, as in pan. Q says Qu, as in queen. R says R, as in rug. S says S, as in sun. T says T, as in tiger. V says V, as in van. W says W, as in wand. And X at the end of the word, as in fox, says Z. Y at the beginning, Y, as in yo-yo. And Z, Z, zebra. Good job! Turn in your phonics and reading book to page 6. Add the beginning consonant that matches the picture. Take 2 minutes to finish this page. Let's see how you did. Number 1, bat. Number 2, hat. Number 3, sun. Number 4, van. Number 5, dog. Number 6, rug. Number 7, pen. Number 8, fox. Take a moment and check your work. The consonant C makes 2 sounds. When the C is followed by the vowels A, O, or U, it makes the hard C sound like the letter K, K, as in car, and corn. When C is followed by the vowels E, I, or Y, it makes the soft C sound like the letter S, as in the words cereal and city. Turn in your phonics and reading book to page 7. Place the words from the word box in the correct column below. Notice that the first column is for the soft C words, and the second column is for the hard C words. Take 4 minutes to finish this page. Let's see how you did. In the soft C column, you should have cereal, scent, celery, cement, city, ice, and circle. In the hard G column, you should have cake, cup, candle, current, clip, camp, and cork. Take a moment to check your answers. The consonant G has 2 sounds also. When G is followed by the vowels A, O, or U, it makes the hard G sound G, as in goat, and gum. When G is followed by the vowels E, I, or Y, it makes a soft G sound J, as in giraffe and gym. Turn in your reading and phonics book to page 8. Place the words from the word box in the correct column below. The first column is for the soft G words. The second column is for the hard G words. Take 4 minutes to complete this page. Let's check our answers. In the first column, the soft G column, you should have gym, germ, gentle, giant, general, and genius. In the second column, the hard G column, you should have gap, game, goal, good, gum, and gutter. How did you do? Take a moment to check your work. Sometimes consonants that are side by side work as a consonant team to make one sound. Here's a list of common consonant teams. Say the words with me. BL, blocks. BR, brush. CL, clock. CR, crab. DR, drum. FL, floss. FR, frog. GL, gloves. GR, grapes. PL, plum. PR, prize. SC, scale. SK, sky. SL, slide. SM, smile. SN, snake. SP, spoon. ST, star. SW, swim. TR, tree. And TW, twig. Turn in your reading and phonics book to page 10. Place the correct consonant team in the blank next to the picture that it matches. We'll take 2 minutes to complete this page. How did you do? Check your answers. Number 1, fly. Number 2, crab. Number 3, glue. Number 4, frog. Number 5, drum. Number 6, block. Number 7, cloud. Number 8, scale. Take a moment to check your answers. Some consonants that are side by side are silent. Let's look at some examples. In the KN consonant team, the K is silent, as in the word knit and night. In your phonics and reading workbook, turn to page 11. Place the correct word from the word box below each picture that it matches. You have 2 minutes to finish. Let's check our answers. Knee, knot, knife, knob, knit, and night. How did you do? In the WR consonant team, the W is silent, as in the words write and wrap. Turn in your reading and phonics workbook to page 12. Write the correct word from the word box below each picture that it matches. Take 3 minutes to finish this assignment. Check your answers. Going across the top is right, wreath, wrench, wrap, wren, ring, wrist, wrong, and wreck. How did you do? Take a moment to check your answers. In the WH consonant team, the H is silent, as in the words whale and wheel. Turn in your reading and phonics book to page 13. Place the correct word from the word box next to the picture that it matches. Let's check to see how you did. Number 1, whale. Number 2, whisk. Number 3, wheat. Number 4, whistle. Number 5, wheel. Number 6, whisper. How did you do? Check your answers. In the SC consonant team, the C is silent, as in the words science and scent. Turn in your reading and phonics book to page 14. Write the word from the word box next to the picture that it matches. You have 2 minutes to finish. you do?